So we're testing out the M50 and we've gone for a little bike ride, and this is my little trunk bag. So I'm testing it out, setting up the DJI Mavic Mini. Little case, little drone. Look how tiny that is, eh? Also testing out the Rode Video Micro to see how this works. That's what I've got set up on this. So this is my first video try with the M50 and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're back again, totally set up. So we're gonna try taking off with this now. So let's move the camera so you can watch the takeoff. There we go. So now I'm recording. Hopefully I'm close enough to the mic that you can hear. So I'm going to see if I can vlog with the drone up in the air. It's probably picking up the drone sound, but I'm just going to take off here. So now I can still talk, and as the drone goes further away, the audio should get better. Okay, let's look up. Now the wind is out of the west, so I'm going to bring it down a touch. I'm going to go into the wind. Testing it out here. There we go, here's a different angle. If I'm talking loud enough, you should be able to pick me up on the mic, but I don't think so. Anyway, let's try going over this way. Okay, so I want to kneel down close to the mic here so you can see me a bit better. But I don't know if this is going to be picking up too well. I'm speaking in the wrong direction, I guess. So let's see how this angle works and see if we're getting a good mic pickup as well. So we could do some vlogging with the drone. See if I can get rid of that drone noise. Anyway, let's bring it down. So I've got to start looking at this lens. Anyway, I'm going to start packing up my stuff. Hopefully this audio is coming through. There's quite a bit of wind, so I've got the dead cat on the Video Micro, so hopefully the audio is coming through okay. Anyway, I'm going to pack up my stuff and get it ready to go on my bike and see how it goes. ND filters, packed, remote, packed, and I've got my drone in the case. So let's pack this up, put it in the trunk bag, put it on the bike. So back home now, I really have to get used to actually using the drone to actually film me riding my bike. But anyway, had to have a closing clip, so this is my closing clip. So that was my first try taking out my camera gear on my bike in my trunk bag with my drone and my M50. See you next time.